How does QLED work? QLED, quantum dot light emitting diode, works by using a combination of LED backlighting and quantum dot technology to produce vibrant colors, high brightness, and excellent contrast. Unlike OLED, which has self-emitting pixels, QLED relies on a quantum dot layer to enhance color accuracy and overall picture quality. This technology is widely used in premium TVs, especially from Samsung and other manufacturers. 1. Quantum dots improve color accuracy. QLED TVs use a quantum dot layer, which consists of microscopic semiconductor particles that emit specific colors when exposed to light. These dots create a wider color gamut, resulting in more accurate and vivid colors compared to traditional LED TVs. Two-point LED backlight provides high brightness. Behind the quantum dot layer, QLED TVs use a powerful LED backlight to illuminate the screen. This allows for higher brightness levels, making QLED TVs ideal for well-lit rooms and enhancing HDR, high dynamic range. Performance. 3. Local dimming enhances contrast. Many QLED TVs feature full-array local dimming (FALD), which allows different sections of the screen to dim or brighten independently. This improves contrast, making dark scenes appear deeper while maintaining brightness in other areas. 4th, anti-burn-in technology ensures longevity. Unlike OLED, which can suffer from burn-in due to static images, QLED technology does not degrade over time. Since it relies on an LED-based system, QLED TVs are more durable and better suited for extended gaming and news channel viewing. 5. High refresh rates for smooth motion. QLED TVs support high refresh rates, often 120 Hz or more, making them ideal for sports, action movies, and gaming. Combined with low input lag and motion smoothing, they provide a seamless and immersive viewing experience. 6. Smart features and AI enhancements. Most QLED TVs come with smart TV platforms that support streaming apps, voice assistants, and AI-powered picture optimization. Features like adaptive brightness and AI upscaling improve picture quality based on content and ambient lighting conditions. QLED technology offers brilliant colors, superior brightness, and excellent contrast, making it a great choice for HDR content and bright environments. With advanced backlighting, high refresh rates, and smart features, QLED TVs provide a premium viewing experience built for durability and performance.